Hi, this is Property Inspector LLC, and this is the first time for me in terms of been inspecting for 20 years now, and I see rodents everywhere, seen them everywhere, fried in electrical panels and stuff, but this is the first time I've actually seen all the droppings and evidence inside of the burner unit, and I'm sure a couple of them got toasted. So anyway, just another great tip from Property Inspector LLC. You gotta seal up the intakes. Can't have any kind of access into these areas. Okay, have a great day.